Now guys, today I will share with you how to make your laptop last longer, because I want to tell you that my laptop won't last longer. So I'm having problems now. Um, the battery life, too short and it's very slow. So guys, I want you to look after your laptop very well because in order to save more money, right? So first, take the charging cable out when your laptop is fully charged. Then use a laptop cooling pad to help it run at lower temperature. Next, don't eat while you are working in front of your laptop, okay? In short, keep food and liquids away from your laptop. Next, use an antivirus software. Next, try not to use your laptop while charging so that the battery capacity won't drop, just like what happened to my laptop. Shut down your laptop if you are not using it, okay? And don't walk around when you are using your laptop. Don't let it get to 0% battery before charge it. It's not good for the laptop health, guys. Keep it between 40 to 80% charge. Replace your battery when it gets below 80%. Yeah, if you see 80%, the maximum, you have to replace it. Guys, if you purchase a new laptop or battery for your laptop, the experts recommend the battery must be charged for 24 hours. A 24-hour charge makes sure the battery is full and helps with the battery's life expectancy. If your laptop losing battery so fast, there could be too many processes running in the background. Like a heavy application of desktop apps can also drain the battery, and the system can be running on high brightness or other advanced options. Too many online or network connections can also cause this problem. Guys, if you take good care of your laptop, it will last for 10 years, and if it is not, it might last 4 to 5 years. Guys, do you know that I've been using this laptop for 5 years now? And because I'm reckless, I cannot extend the life of my laptop because I drop it too many times, and I let my laptop overheat and didn't update some of the virus, scan. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you next video.